dogs. Where's Minnie? Minnie is sleeping through this. She wants nothing to do with this. But when you have dogs, and I happen to have a Newfoundland, so she's on the larger side, and selling your home and you have people coming in to your house, I totally get it if you're working during the day and you leave your dog in, say, the garage area or in a crate. Not the whole day, please, but before and after showings. Completely understand. But what can you do to make it easier on your pet? Well, of course, fresh water. If you want us, the realtors, to give treats, please note your woofer will get a lot because we love animals. We're so happy to see them, and we'll be happy to give treats. Keep in mind, if you only want your woofer to get like 1 or 2 treats, please put a specific note because I'll keep giving them because they're probably an awesome dog. And I just want to say, oh, look how adorable. Let's give them a little treat. Do you want a cookie? Yes, these are things that I do. But what do you do? If you can't take the woofer with you or go for a walk during the showing, there are great things to do. First of all, let us know, right? Make sure your agent tells us, hey, I have dogs. A dog will be in a crate in the garage. Or please don't go in the laundry room. Bubba is in there and Bubba doesn't like to see people they don't know. Okay, we will respect that. But let's talk about Minnie. So I know Minnie would intimidate people just because of her size. She is a wonderful, sweet dog. But if you saw Minnie and you heard her bark, you'd be like, whoa, let's stop. So I will take Minnie with me and go for a walk during showings. If I didn't, there you are, finally. Hello, sweetie. Yes. Want to see my Minnie? Say hello, sweetie. There's my sweetie. I got your chicken. Go. Want your chicken? She's such a good girl. But do you see what I mean? She would probably intimidate you or make you like, is she okay? And the answer is yes. Minnie is on a treat restriction. So I would actually have notes out, please don't feed my dog. She is awesome, but please don't feed her. Or if I did have specific treats, I would leave them on the crate with a note of how many. Only 1, please, because I have several showings and I don't need Minnie to get 30 treats. Minnie would disagree with that. So what are the great key things you can do when you have dogs? First of all, vacuum, right? If you only saw, I vacuum twice a day because Minnie should be bald, but she's not. Vacuum, pick up the pet toys. If there are some you want, like Minnie would like to be in her crate with, she has a whoopee, so she would like to be in her crate with her whoopee, so I will put it in there. Make your dog as comfortable as possible. Have a little treat jar for us if you want us to give a treat with a little note, and then let us know that there's going to be a dog there. Now, make sure your dog dishes are clean. I know it sounds crazy, but yes. If you're going to leave them out, Minnie's dog dishes, we clean them every night because they're just nasty. So I know nobody tells you this about owning a dog. You got to pick up dog poop. Allah. You got to clean their dishes. Allah. You got to groom them. Allah. They shed. They drool. The bottoms of your walls, the door jambs, I mean, they're dirty. It's like, what do you do, Minnie? This is all stuff. And yes, this is all stuff that needs to be cleaned. And are they worth it? Absolutely. Minnie is awesome. I am biased. For more tips on how to prep, follow below. Thank you.